Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. Register for Stellar Talent Search exam for class 7 to 12. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Prudent.
So the matter was listed today in Justice Suryakant's court, and in this case we have challenged the order of the High Court, wherein the High Court has upheld the order of the Speaker in which our disqualification petitions were dismissed. So it came up after a long time, and today Mr. Chidambaram, Senior Advocate, and Mr. Vivek Tankha, Senior Advocate, appeared on behalf of Mr. Giri Chodankar. He was both the senior counsel were assisted by myself and my team at Lawman and White. So we requested the court that this issue is of great importance and it is a bearing on all over the country, because the issue of disqualification, especially that what is a valid merger, that whether a merger of a legislative party amounts to a deemed merger, and it does not require a merger of an original political party, as this issue has already been decided or touched upon by a 5-judge bench in the Maharashtra case. So Mr. Chidambaram apprised the court about all these facts, and we requested the court to finally keep the matter for a non-miscellaneous day, though there was a heavy objection from the other side, and as they've said that this issue is only academic because after this petition there was another election in February 2022. But we read that order of the court, wherein first time the matter was listed and notice was issued. That time the court said that this matter is of great importance, and this is exactly mentioned in that order wherein the notices were issued in this matter. So the court acknowledged the fact that this ultimately needs to be decided, and this is a long-term pending issue, and therefore have said, and we were told by the court that they'll keep it next month and the date will be notified for final argument.